May 26, 2018. After I did my last Windows update, I got the Windows black screen of death. Can't do anything. If you click on any of these buttons, nothing happens. Can't get anywhere. I was able to find a way to back up my files and whatnot. All my files were still on my laptop. Windows key R brings up the run, and then I just started notepad.exe. So that did come up, and then what I did was I plugged in an external hard drive into my USB port. I was able to go up here, saving this document as, and then the external hard drive would show up in this window, and I right clicked on my documents. I went copy, and then on the external hard drive I would right click on that, and then I would paste all those files into there. So I saved all my documents and whatnot, my pictures, my videos, all of that. I saved all of that onto the external hard drive before I'm about to attempt this possible solution. So I got some good news. I was able to correct the issue. I did get my laptop back. All of my programs are on there. I'm glad I didn't have to wipe the hard drive and reinstall the operating system and then reinstall all the software that I have on there. All of my files were still on there, so the fix did work, and I'll post the link below. Hopefully this helps anybody who comes across this issue.